Hi, my name is Venkatesh. I'm a social worker working in tribal area, newly formed district. It is called Alluri Sita Ramaraju district in Andhra Pradesh. So boot camp experience. Actually, I don't know anything about boot camp, but during the lockdown, it was in 2020 May. I got a message from Freedom. So I don't know anything, just I respond to him. I am interested to do. Because that time I was staying in Nepal. I am working as an international volunteer for local NGO. But because of lockdown, I am unable to go and see my clients. So it affected a lot on me psychologically and physically. So I don't know what to do. So I felt Freedom invitation is a good opportunity. I try to use it. Yeah, I'm unable to do my tasks even though from home. My organization is asking me to do activities through online. But in the villages, there is no network. Many families, they don't have touch phones. So how I am going to perform my duties? So it was struggling me. So I became a lazy. I'm not able to do anything. Even I can't fold my bed sheets. I can't keep cleaning house. So I become a very lazy. So once I started attending this boot camp, so I decided mentally I have to change myself. Otherwise, I have to struggle psychologically and physically. Though it is going to cause for my mental disease. Bootcamp bring a lot of change within me. It has enhanced my willpower that I can say confidently.